the Elder Resource Group YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining us again. I hope you're finding good value in the content we're putting out here. The purpose of our YouTube channel is really to guide you through the journey of transitioning, downsizing, making decisions, and all those kind of things. So let's dive in. Maintaining fitness levels is crucial to your overall well-being. Consider joining fitness classes that are tailored specifically for seniors. It could be water aerobics or chair yoga. These activities allow you to stay fit while still being safe. So you're not going to be dunking a basketball. However, you can still keep moving, stay limber, and of course see some fresh air. Taking a walk is a really good thing to do on a daily basis. You stay fit, you stay limber, you get out in the sunshine, get that vitamin D, meet some new friends, meet some neighbors. So those are all great ways to stay active. Mental stimulation is super important as well. Keeping your brain just as sharp as your body is of critical importance to really make your life more fulfilled and more engaged. So you can engage in activities such as puzzles, crossword puzzles, stuff like that. Maybe even learning a musical instrument. Highly engaged mental activities that keep you sharp, keep things moving. A lot of assisted living communities have all kinds of different activities that are designed specifically for this, and they're in group settings, so you meet new friends, you keep your social skills tuned up, and stimulate your cognitive skills and abilities there. Also, one of the great things is you build a social network and a support network. So keeping your brain sharp one way or another is super important. Moving to your new living arrangements can be an emotional process. So it's really important to stay connected with family and friends and your social network, and that can be done through, video chat or, personal visits, of course, phone calls, emails, those kind of things. Schedule those regular visits just like you would normally do. Just because you've changed venues where you live doesn't mean social connection with family and friends has to change. You want to share your experiences, listen to their stories, and continue to nurture those relationships as much as possible. Assisted living communities create a wonderful opportunity to create social networks, and you can get to know folks that you normally wouldn't meet, and new people that have a world of different experiences that you can really socialize with. So you build lasting relationships through community and through activity. So you can engage in groups that are organized by the community. You can also do ones in the general public. So based on your interests, maybe it's quilting, maybe it's golf or gardening or painting or these kind of things. Anything where you can interact with others, keep your social skills sharp, but it also engages your mind. And that's the most important thing. If your mind is sharp, your body a lot of times, and so you want to work on mind and body also. And of course, spirit. Staying engaged with your church community and your social networks is critically important. And just remember, this is an exciting new chapter of your life. And just remember to embrace, personal growth, mental, physical fitness, mental stimulation, and social networks during this time. It can be really fun. And a lot of my clients said, I wish I would have done this 5 years ago, 10 years ago, because things are just so much easier, and they have much more friends, and life is just simpler. As a senior transition specialist, just know we're here to answer questions or help with any resources that you need. And, so if you need anything at all or some guidance, just reach out. And be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. We'd love to hear, we'd love to see that, and that helps us out a lot. And of course, if there's any topics or videos that you or your family would like to hear us talk about, be sure to leave a comment, and we'll be happy to research that or share that when we can. So thanks so much. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.